Alright, it's time to get on the exercise bike and watch the latest episode of Master of None and see what we can learn today. I really don't like this bike. The bike's nice, but there's no place to put the iPad. So I end up having to hold it. My hands get tired, my arms get tired. It won't stay put. Try to balance it. Keeps sliding, keeps moving. It's very aggravating. One of these days, I swear it's just gonna fall. Come on, don't fall. Don't fall. Stay put. Stay put. I'll just hold it. I'm hunched over. I'll hold it up here. No, that won't work. No! Oh man, not again. Now what am I gonna do? What I need is to make a bracket to hold it up here. So it's easy on my neck, it's easy on my shoulders, and it's up where it needs to be. And it won't fall. So I need to make a mount to hold that up right in the right spot. First I need to figure out the diameter of the handholds. These are 33 millimeters in diameter, and then I need to find something that will slide over them. PVC Schedule 40 1 1/4 is 34 millimeters, so it should slide right over. I picked up a couple and brought them home, and sure enough, they will slide right over the ends of the handholds. I may have to do a little bit of sanding just so it fits a little easier. It's kind of snug even though the dimensions fit. And I'm going to lay them out here on the table to get a good idea of what it is I have in mind. So I'm thinking 2 pieces at the side, a piece across the top. I might use the T's and then some 45s to give me the angle that I want. So on second thought, I think I'll get rid of the T's. But I definitely want the 45s and the elbows. I only bought one section of 5-foot pipe, so I need to cut that just right. So it'll do the complete mount, and I'm going to cut the piece at the top first, get that measured. And then I can figure out how long the sides will be. So I'll cut the piece at the top, and then I will just take what's left, split it in half, and that'll be my sides. I'll need a little bit of length for the piece coming off the arm holds, obviously the hand holds. So I'll cut those off first as well before I split for my sides. So we'll measure across for the top and get that cut. So now a quick dry fit. I've got the pieces here on the handholds and checking the spacing for my top bar. Everything looks good. That's going to sit up, obviously, way above it. So I'm going to take what I have left on the pipe and I'm going to cut it in half to give me my sides. Here I'm sanding the inner part of the tubes just so they'll slide over the handholds a little easier. So what I'm doing now is setting this up so it's going to be adjustable. And I've got 2 mounting screws that I've put in here, and I'm drilling them down into the pipes and backing them out, and then drilling the pipes out a little bit more. But I'm going to put 2 marker holes just in front of it. So I'm drilling the pipe for that, and then I'm moving it up to the next hole, putting the screws in the next hole, drilling the next holes, and then repeating the process so they're evenly spaced all the way up through. And that will give me lots of height adjustment. Now I'm just making my position holes bigger so that the screws will fit on them a little easier. one mistake I made, and it was kind of unavoidable because my workshop is several miles away from home, is that the holes were drilled in the board without it being mounted to the bike. And what happened is that the pipes weren't in the right position at the bottom. They're at the top, okay, but at the bottom they were warped in a little bit. So my screws don't quite line up the way they should. I can fix that simply by putting new holes in my iPad board support. But for right now, I'm just gonna press on these and get them bent in a little bit because they're just off by a millimeter here. We'll get them bent in and get the screw in the right hole.